Hello, you are welcome to today's class. We have a question on the board. The question says, evaluate root x over y raised to power 2 if x is equals to 8 raised to 2 over 3 and y equals to 4 raised to minus 2. So we are asked to solve for the root of x divided by y raised to power 2. Now, if you look at the question on the board, we've been given x, we've been given y, but we just need to apply a little bit of law of indices to move on. So our x, according to the question, our x is 8 raised to 2 over 3. 8 raised to 2 over 3. But if you can solve this by applying a law of indices. I don't know if you are very good with your law of indices. This can be expressed as this: the cube root of 8. I'm applying the law of indices now. Raised to power of 2. And this will be, what's the cube root of it? That will be 2. Because 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, so 2 times 2 for 4 times 2. That will be 2 raised to power 2, so 4. So we can say that after applying our law of indices, our x is what? Is 4. Now we move on to y. Now we solve for x now. Let's solve for y now. We are still going to apply the law of indices. Y equals to 4 raised to power minus 2. Now, to remove this negative index, according to law of indices, this can be expressed as just 1 over 4 raised to the power of 2. And that will be 1 over 4 raised to power 2. That will be 4 times 1, which is 16. So now we solve for our y. Our y is 1 over 16. Ys equals to 4. Now we can now go to the question. So we will solve the question. We have to solve root x over y, then raised to power 2. So what I'm going to do now is that we are going to slot in our values. So we have our root. Instead of writing x, since we have solved for x, our x is 4. So you write, so instead of writing x now, I'm going to write 4 divided by what's y. We solve for y as 1 over 16 raised to power 2. Now you need to pay attention to what we are going to do next now. Now I'm still going to write my root. I'm still going to write my bracket. This is 4. But instead of writing the normal division, I would like to write the division like this, whereby 1 over 16 raised to power of 2. Just watch out what we are going to do. So this we move on by writing like this: root 4 over 1. I'm going to change the division. So division turns to times. Now, when you change from division to times, the next fraction turns upside down. That is, numerator turns to denominator, denominator turns to numerator. Here is our denominator, which is 16. So 16 will come up, while the numerator will go down. Then we have 1. Don't forget that we still have our raised to power 2 here. Then what's the next thing? What is 4 times 16? 4 times 16 is 64. While your 1 times 1, that's still 1. Then you write your square. So we move on. You shall have your root. Now, what is 64 squared? That will be 64 times 64, right? If 1 times 64, while your 1 times 1. Now, what is the root of 0 times 64? Just pick 64. So that's the final answer. So finally, we have come to the end of today's class. You can see how simple it is. Solve for your x. We apply the law of indices to solving for x. Then we also apply the law of indices to solving for y. Before we now substituting those values, then we sorted it out. So do not forget to follow me. And if you have any comments, if you have anything to share about today's class, write in your comment. And make sure you interact, share with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, all you need to do is just go to your YouTube app on your phone. You click your YouTube app, then go to the search icon on the top here. Then you type Mr. Willie Maths class. That is Mr. When you are searching for Mr. Willie, there is no space between Mr. and Willie. So the Mr. Willie is typed together. So Mr. Willie Maths class. It's our Maths class. Then you search for it. There you click on it, you can see it. This is Mr. Only Maths class. Just click on it and click on the subscription icon, and you can be rest assured because a lot of videos. This channel is dedicated to mathematics, so you will see a lot of videos. I've done series of the videos, and I will continue to upload videos. So I need you to please subscribe to my channel. Let's make it a bigger family. Thank you.